Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pork afritada. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. Then, we'll prepare the pork, cutting it into uniform 2-inch cubes, which helps it cook evenly and absorb all the wonderful flavors. A quick marinade in soy sauce and calamansi juice for at least 30 minutes will tenderize the meat and add a tangy depth. Finally, we'll build our flavor base by sautéing aromatic garlic and onions. Next, we'll brown our marinated pork cubes in a hot pan, searing them on all sides to lock in their juices and develop a rich color. Once browned, we'll introduce the star of our sauce, a generous amount of tomato sauce, along with some water and a couple of bay leaves. This mixture will simmer gently, allowing the pork to become incredibly tender over about 45 minutes. Finally, we'll add our sliced potatoes, letting them cook in the flavorful sauce until they are perfectly fork tender. Now it's time to add our vibrant vegetables to the afritada. We'll gently stir in the colorful bell peppers and sweet green peas, allowing them to cook just until they are crisp tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This ensures they retain their texture and bright flavor. To perfect the taste, we'll season the dish with salt and freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Sometimes, a small pinch of sugar can beautifully balance the acidity from the tomato sauce, enhancing the overall flavor profile. Once your pork afritada is perfectly cooked and seasoned, it's ready to be enjoyed. Serve this hearty and flavorful dish immediately, ideally alongside a generous portion of steaming hot white rice to soak up all that delicious sauce. For an extra touch of freshness, you can garnish it with some chopped fresh parsley or cilantro. If you happen to have any leftovers, they store wonderfully in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Simply reheat gently on the stovetop or in the microwave when you're ready for another serving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.